Hello everyone, today we will be discussing an investment topic. Is now the good time for bottom fishing? As most of you will know, the year didn't have a good start. In the past 3 months, the market experienced the COVID-19 outbreak, the oil war, and most recently, the lockdown in Malaysia. First, the outbreak. Since January, the number of cases have surpassed 550,000 globally, with death cases more than 25,000. Despite national lockdowns in many countries, the number of cases, however, have continued to increase at an uncontrollable pace. Secondly, the oil war between Saudi Arabia and Russia. The war has triggered a huge fall for the oil price and has further deteriorated the current global equity market. To make things worse, it has been reported that an agreement to cut output is unlikely to be reached in the near future. Thirdly, the recent lockdown, which has now been extended to 14 April. As a result, most businesses are told to close, with all overseas travel banned and more shut. To save jobs and economy, the new government has just announced a 250 billion budget. So, how has all this event affected the market? First, the US market. Due to the virus fear and the historical unemployment claims, the market continues to fall sharply despite the recent 2 trillion packages and the Fed actions. The global market has also lost more than 6 trillion in value in 6 days. Together with the global freefall, Malaysian market also anticipated an economic slowdown, with most global commodities being sold off. As we move into a new month, is this a good time to bottom fishing now? I would say that it is too early, but there are a few stocks one may consider. Firstly, RHB Bank. The upsides of this company are the solid asset quality and the positive treasury income. On the other side, the downsides would be the BNM measures to cut rates and the loan deferment recently announced. Secondly, Somewhere REIT. Good news about this company is that the second quarter result is within the expectations, with more contributions to be expected from diverse earnings base. However, one may need to consider the potential impact of the coronavirus outbreak, resulting in the lower contributions from retail. Thirdly, OCK Group. Being a leading telco network service provider, the company has a strong earnings growth. Furthermore, the possible listing diversion of tower business may also be positive for the company. The downsides would be the dependency on the key customers and the fluctuation in currency and regulatory changes. At this point, there are several industries which are under market pressure and may face further sell-off, such as oil and gas, properties, aviation, and consumer products. All in all, one should strategize his investment plan carefully, safeguard the capital, and do not try to catch a falling knife. Alright, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it.